Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, we are diving into the world of short hair styling ideas. If you have been searching for fantastic ideas for a pixie cut or the perfect way to style your short hair, you are in the right place. Let me guide you through this process, helping you achieve a mesmerizing and attention-grabbing look. We all know how important our hair is when it comes to defining our style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have put together a collection of enchanting styling tips and ideas that will captivate you completely. With these new tricks and tips, you will witness the magical transformation of your hair, giving you a sense of beauty and grace that's beyond doubt. Imagine this, ladies, the magic and charm of these gray, white, black and brown tones. These shades have an irresistible attraction, elevating your hair to levels of elegance that are unparalleled. From subtle highlights that exude sophistication to bold undertones that command attention, we will explore how these colors can give your short looks depth and dimension. Prepare to be spellbound as you witness the breathtaking transformations. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. I have carefully chosen a lovely array of short hair styling ideas exclusively for you. These hairstyles are not just trendy, they also make a powerful impact. They are designed to cater to your hair's deepest desires. Whether you are inclined towards a jig bob, a pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut, get ready for an unparalleled journey through the kingdom of style and self-expression. Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable charm of gray, white, and black colors. Can you imagine the absolute luxury that your hair will bring with these shades? The blend of black and gray exudes timeless appeal, intertwining sophistication and charm. Prepare to be dunked in the best of the best hairstyling ideas, carefully created for your exclusive satisfaction. apologize, friendly background noise, and occasional language barriers. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated. As we approach the conclusion of this captivating video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your unwavering support. Your presence inspires me to continue creating content that uplifts and empowers your inner beauty. Always remember you are beautiful, and with the perfect hairstyles, you possesses the power to conquer the world. So go ahead, embrace those stunning short hairstyles with confidence and radiate your inner beauty. And also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more amazing and enchanting content. Until next time.